Hey folks, it's Russ. Today's Saturday, June 21st, 2025. Hope you're having a great day. I just had to run to the health food store here to pick up a few items, but I'm on my way to the soap shop to check everything out. But I just thought I'd drop a quick message and simply tell you that if you're not mailing out postcards, how do you expect money to be coming into your mailbox? Right? Somebody wrote to me the other day, upset that they're not having success with the opportunity. And I asked them if they were doing any online content, and they weren't. And I asked them how many postcards they were mailing, and they said that they hadn't really been mailing too many. Well, you know, how do you expect to be making any money if you're not mailing out any postcards? You know, the postcards are the easiest part of the whole process. You know, you don't have to worry about creating content or anything. You're just putting an address label on the postcard and a stamp and sending it out. And we have resources for leads and discounted postage. So anybody can afford to do this. These are resources that the top direct mail marketers use in the industry, and anybody can do this. You just have to stay consistent. That's what I sound like a broken record when I come on here and do my videos, but that's what it boils down to, is consistency. That's what separates those that have success and those that don't. You know, how bad do you really want to be successful in direct mail? You know, maybe it's not for you, and that's fine. It doesn't have to be. You know, I've worked with people that they've given it their honest effort, and you know, it just doesn't resonate with them, and they've moved on to other things. You know, but the people that reach out to me and, you know, have these issues, they tell me that they're really passionate about making this work, but then I don't see the effort being put in. You know, this isn't a hobby, and it's not a game, and it's not a lottery. You know, success doesn't happen by accident. Success happens to those who take action and stay consistent, and that's it. There's no secret formula. That is the formula. You show up every day, you take massive action, and you stay consistent through the ups and downs. That is it. That is what makes you successful. And when it comes to direct mail marketing, it doesn't get any easier than mailing out postcards, letters, or flyers, right? I mean, I've been involved in this space for the last 18 plus years, and I've been working full time for myself since 2018. And I've helped a lot of people generate mailbox money. But there's a lot more people that never made a single cent because they give up on themselves too quickly. And they expect instant results right away. And that's not how it works. That's why I'm honest when I tell everybody this is not a get-rich-quick overnight program. There's no such thing. The only way you're going to get rich overnight is if you hit the lottery, right? It's the only way. You have to treat this like a business, show up every single day, and take action. And that is what wins the game. You know, it's not rocket surgery. You don't have to be, a genius to figure this out. But so many people, you know, they put in minimal effort. Or they mail out 200 postcards and think that they're going to make $10,000. And I don't even guarantee anybody that they're going to make money when they join me, because it's all dependent on your work ethic. And most people don't have a good work ethic when it comes to doing this. They'll show up and go to work every day and not miss a day of work and not miss a day of helping somebody else get rich. But when it comes to their own business, they don't take any action. And I just don't get it. There's no better opportunities on the planet, in my opinion, than working for yourself, right? I mean, you couldn't pay me $1 million a month to go work for somebody else and do something that I didn't want to do. Because when you're truly passionate about what it is that you're doing, it's not even work. It doesn't even feel like work. I wake up every day and I don't dread going to anywhere. I mean, I go and check on the soap shop. I do things that have to be taken care of there. And then I focus my time on marketing building my mailbox money empire. And like today, I went to the health store. I got a couple more errands to run, but I'm going over to the soap shop quickly to check in. And then I got some projects around the house to do. I got to cut the grass, and I'm painting an exterior wall, and I'm doing things like that. But I mean, you don't have to overcomplicate this or overthink it. The people that have success are the ones who show up every single day. And that's it. So, you know, I just wanted to hop on here and tell you that if you're not mailing out postcards, you're not getting a paycheck. And, you know, it's as simple as that. But one postcard can change your life. I mean, one postcard could literally change your life, depending on what program or opportunity you're in. And now if you join me in one of my programs, or if you're in one of my programs, you know, I have programs where you get fast start commissions up front, and then you build residual income on the backside of that in 2 of my programs. And the other program's a mid-level program where you earn just a nice commission for every referral that you, a one-time commission for every referral that you bring into the opportunity. It's easy, folks. I show you results all the time. And the reason I get the results, it's not because I'm a special marketer or have some superpower. It's because I show up and take action. I'm on here every day creating content for everybody to see. And I try to provide value in my videos when I'm driving around in my truck. And then when I do lives in the evening times, they're usually about the opportunities or proof that I'm having success with the programs. That's all you have to do. It's not hard. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be hard. And one postcard can literally change your life. I mean, one postcard that you mail out, you could get somebody who just goes right to town and they bring in 100 people into an opportunity, and that one postcard could be worth hundreds, thousands, or tens of thousands of dollars. Just one postcard. So if you can only afford to mail out 100 or 200 postcards a month, that's fine, but just keep doing it every single month. And when you start making commissions, reinvest some of that money back in there and scale your business. That's how you do it. Right? That's how you do it. So direct mail marketing works when you work it. That's it. It doesn't work by itself. It doesn't work on autopilot. You have to show up every day and you have to put in the work. But if you put in the work, it works. Direct mail's been around since the 1800s. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to be affected by AI. All right, it's a very simple, easy method to use to get your opportunity, product, or service in front of somebody who is interested in it. All right, so when you join me in any of my programs, I'm going to teach you how I do this. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. So if you want in or you want to learn more about these opportunities I'm a part of, or to join my newsletter, just go to joinruss.com. Okay, joinruss.com. Find all my information over there. And you can get started today. Or if you're already part of an opportunity, take action today. All right? You can change your life. So you either mail it or you stay stuck. That's it. You don't make excuses up. I'm tired of hearing excuses from people. There's no need to make an excuse when it comes to direct mail marketing. It doesn't get any easier. You're not building funnels. You're not creating, sales pages. You're not writing ad copy. Everything's done for you. All of our marketing systems that I use are done for me. I don't have to do anything other than get people over to my joinruss.com page. Right? And I'll show you how I do that. I do it by creating Facebook videos and YouTube videos like this, which are super simple to do. You can talk about anything. Just be truthful and honest and share your life, if that's what it is. Share the opportunities. Share stuff about you that people will resonate with you about. And then I mail out my letters. That's it. It's as simple as that. So I hope you have a great day wherever you are. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this. If you found value in my video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click that notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Have an awesome day and take some action.